Just in case they ain't get the picture the first time around.
I see you, hater. My motivator. Y'all make me greater. Yeah.
Behind the camera.
Y'all know what it is.
You don't see that. But I got I went to Facebook Marketplace. Y'all might can't hear me, I got some big trucks going by. But I went to Facebook Marketplace. I'm looking for stuff for the shop, and I found some fans, some chicken house fans. So I decided to go pick those up. It's like an hour out. Me and Rob finna take that trip and go get them. I got them for a good deal. Once we get there, we'll catch y'all back on. Y'all stay tuned. We're filling up now. The gas like $2.79. So we're going to fill up. It's over there.
$2.79, y'all.
All right. Pretty nice size chicken houses here. They said they finna tear all them down, do away with them. So looks like they're gonna have a lot of metal on hand. There they go in the back. Which ones? Probably did.
Looked up and you can see.
Alright. Oh yeah.
That comes off. Everybody else will be taking the cone off. I don't know if they're setting it out this way or setting it that way. I've never took one out.
Okay.
Now then we got this one. Show you those.
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna use it for a paint booth fan.
Oh,
I paint cars.
Yes, I understand that.
Yeah, I got a YouTube channel. That's why we're recording. So I'm gonna post all this. I'm building a new shop. So
that's 52 and this one's 48. And like I said, they were working or are working. If you need them. And so, this one in here.
Okay.
Oh, well, I'll get this plugged up. But I think it will.
The other one in the other building, it's a 52 too, ain't it? You say?
Yes. That's 48.
48.
And then the other one, this one is 52. And I believe, I'm not, and I don't want to lie to you, but I believe that they'll fit in the same size hole. I don't know. I don't know that to be 100%. But anyway.
Yeah, that ain't gonna be no problem. Yeah. Okay. Okay, yeah. Yeah, I guess I'll get the 252s. The 252 inch one. And I want this one and that one over there.
Alright.
Because you said that's a 52 too, then?
Yes,
okay.
it is. These are 52s. The ones with this kind of screen are a 52.
Okay.
That other one's got a louver. Of course, I'm sitting right there. And
okay.
That's a 48. These are 52s.
Okay. All right.
Now you have to take them down.
Okay. Ain't no problem. I brought some tools. So hopefully I brought the right ones. What?
Okay.
Let me see.
I don't know. I mean, you have to just look at it.
Okay. All right. All right, I'll cut y'all back on. All right, me and Raw, we trying to come up with a game plan for us hauling all this back because we didn't realize how big these fans was gonna be, and we didn't think all this was gonna come with the fans. This outside section and the front. But I think what we got planned for us, we're gonna put these cones. I don't know what you call them. Y'all get in the comment section, let us know what you call these. We call them cones. We're gonna take this front off, the front grill off, then put them together. That's gonna save us some room. Then we can lay the grills down in the back of the truck, and then the fans itself don't look like they're too wide, so that should work. What you think, Raw? Think that's gonna work for us?
Man, I tell you, I don't know if we're gonna be able to lay the grills down. I believe we're gonna probably wind up laying everything like this and laying it this way. It's gonna probably have to be that way, and the cone gonna probably stick out because that's some wide stuff.
Yeah.
52 inches. What this bed ain't number 4 foot, right? 4
No, I
foot
think
wide?
it's 5.9.
5'9", something like that.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, so we're gonna try. We're gonna get it in there, y'all.
Yeah.
Hey, the best thing is, if we got to come back, we don't live super far.
Yeah.
Just an hour.
It's worth coming back.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the
it's
thing.
gonna be worth coming back.
Yeah.
So we dismount them. We'll take what we can. Push come to shove. We just gotta come back, y'all.
Yeah, and the owner seems like a very nice guy, so.
Even though he's a roll tide, we don't roll. We War Eagle over him.
Nah, Tennessee Volunteers, y'all. All right, let's go on and get started. All right, me and Ro, we got this first one out. We took the motor off to lighten up the weight. Because once I get it back home, I'm gonna take my pressure washer, spray it down. So we would have to take the motor off anyway. We got Ro bringing the cage out, if he can get it out.
I'm about to go out. Yeah, go through the.
Yeah, let me help you out. Like you're struggling now.
Yeah, I could get it cockside. I'm trying to get it out there for you so you can go show them this.
I forgot all about this.
Yeah, well, I'm trying to get it
Well,
out.
I want to leave that. We need that to
Stop the kids from getting injured, and you too, and especially
Yeah.
me. You know, Raw might fall over a wrench or something, go clean through the blade.
keep the critters out too. No, this going on the front. Oh, okay, yeah. So we gotta keep them in. All right, we finna get the other one out. All right, y'all, we locked and loaded. Got it crammed on here. Thought it was gonna be a problem. We was talking about making another trip out here, but good thing we don't. Everything on. So finna hit this highway. Cut y'all back on once we get to the house. I know I supposed to cut y'all back on as soon as I brought the fans home. It's been about 3 weeks since I had them. I had them out here sitting on this slab because I was going to pressure wash them before I started busting up the slab. I got a jackhammer, I just haven't did it yet. So today, that's what I be doing. I got the pressure washer here. I ain't getting no wind noise because it's pretty windy out here. But it's been sitting out in the rain, so some of the grit and grind that came off of it. But I'm still gonna hit it with the pressure washer. I think I ought to do that while I got the slab still here. Then I ain't gotta worry about doing it on the dirt. All right, once I get it sprayed off, I'll cut y'all back on. motors. Finished up with cleaning everything up. Let me show you the old exhausts. I got them over here. This is what I was using all the years. Them 2 fans there. Mainly I had this one here on. A lot of times I ain't had this one on. But this is what we got now. I still got some of the, look like toilet paper, but I know it's not. I don't know what it is, but it was hard coming off, so I just got to get that on down the line. But here's the fans. It's a big difference from what I had before. I should have good exhaust now. And I was thinking about painting them. What y'all think? Y'all get in the comment section. Will it be worth my time spraying some paint on these here, even though they're gonna be exhaust fans? This one here look a lot better than this one. I couldn't get this grill here off when I was picking them up because these nuts, they was rusted and they started tearing up the metal here, so I left it alone. But this here came off pretty easy. I might spray some liquid nails or something, WD-40 on them to get it off, but I really don't need to take this off. That's if I paint it. But y'all get in the comment section. Should I paint them or what? Y'all stay tuned. More to come.
Nobody really gave a damn about us. We never stopped. Right from the bottom to the top, from the ground up. We never stopped. Right from